Multiply 25 by 732 using long multiplication. Since the order of the factors does not change the product, write 732 on top and 25 on the bottom to use fewer partial products. Start with the ones digit, 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. 5 times 3 plus the carried 1 is 16. Put 6 in this column and carry 1. 5 times 7 plus the carried 1 is 36. The first partial product is 3,660. Now use the tens digit, 2. Start one place to the left. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 7 is 14. The second partial product is 14,640. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 6 plus 4 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 6 plus 6 plus the carried 1 is 13. Put 3 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 3 plus 4 plus the carried 1 is 8. In the 10,000s column, bring down 1. The product of the whole numbers is 18,300. So 25 times 732 is 18,300.